Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a percentage in Excel. Here we go. So you just go to start. Um, you can just go to start and then click on the percentage type here up in the top, and here you can see it's 5%. So you can get it here at the right top and see it down here. So percentage, and you can also just type it like a number like 6, and you type the percentage behind it and you also get the number, and that is how you can easily create a percentage. And you can even do a follow-up, like you have 5, 6, 7%, you want to go like 8, 9, 10, and you just do this instead. And you can also do a number on 1 to 100. So let's say you have 10 and you do 1 like this, and then you have 10%. So it's the same. So you can do it on multiple ways, and this is how to do it really easy and fast. Thank you.